In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage all-day events notification in Google Calendar. All-day events are great for birthdays, holidays, or full-day reminders, but the default notifications don't always match what you need. Maybe you're getting alerts at odd times, or not at all. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly adjust those settings so your all-day event notifications work exactly the way you want. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a section labeled My Calendars. Under that list, find the specific calendar whose all-day notifications you want to manage. This might be your main calendar or a secondary one that you've created for work, personal life, or a shared project. Move your mouse over the name of that calendar. You'll see 3 vertical dots appear to the right of the calendar name. These dots open the options menu for that calendar. Go ahead and click on the 3 dots. When the menu opens, look for the option labeled Settings and Sharing. This is where you can control all the detailed preferences for that calendar, including how and when you're notified. Click Settings and Sharing, and you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to that calendar's settings. On this settings page, scroll down until you find the section called All-Day Event Notifications. This section is separate from your normal event notifications because all-day events work a little differently. Here, you'll see the existing notification rules that determine when you get alerts for events that last the entire day. Now, adjust these settings to fit your needs. You can change the timing of the notification so it arrives a certain number of days or hours before the all-day event starts. For example, you might want a reminder one day before a birthday, or several days before a holiday or important deadline. You can also change the type of notification, such as choosing between an email or a standard notification on your devices, depending on what helps you the most. Once you have made your changes, they're saved automatically, so there's no extra save button to click. From now on, any new all-day events created on that calendar will follow the notification